Hey, it's Raphael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. Today we'll be in Palm Beach Gardens checking out a luxury new home community with a great location and resort style amenities. If you want to see more of what Palm Beach Gardens has to offer, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. So here we have the Michelangelo by Coulter Homes. It's their premier single-story plan, and the Michelangelo is going to give you 2,984 square feet under air, 3 bedrooms and a club room, 3.5 bathrooms, and a split 3-car garage. Through its double-door entry, this home welcomes you and your guests to enjoy its spacious, open main living space centered around the large island kitchen. The gourmet kitchen offers tons of cabinets, extended countertops, a massive walk-in pantry, and a dine-in island that can seat 5. The island overlooks an expansive dining and great room with plenty of natural light by large windows and an oversized triple slider leading out to the spacious covered lanai and a backyard offering plenty of room for a pool. The master suite is spacious and comes complete with a spa-like master bath and a massive walk-in closet, creating a private retreat in the rear of the home. And this floor plan offers many customizable options to suit any lifestyle. For the entertainers, you can showcase your wine collection by optioning Suite 3 into a den with wine room. For hosts and families looking for more bedrooms, the club room can be optioned into a 4th bedroom with an ensuite bath. And Artistry residents enjoy a resident-only clubhouse that features a fitness center with a yoga and aerobic studio, a heated resort-style pool, basketball courts, and more. And in addition to the clubhouse, the community has plenty of green spaces, walking trails, and outdoor areas for relaxation and fitness. So if you want more information about this or any other community in Palm Beach, reach out. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying and building here in Florida, and I'd be happy to help you too. Otherwise, take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. Hopefully you enjoyed that video tour, but this is just one of the many beautiful homes and communities here in Palm Beach Gardens. And as always, I'm going to put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to get into this area, want to get an idea if this would work for you, if this is the right location for you, I'm here to help you with that.